Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Marlena, and in today's video we are going to do a really quick cleanup after a 24-hour bug. I'm actually the one who had the 24-hour bug and it was awful, and my mom was going to come and help me take care of my boys the next day. And I just really wanted to get some of these areas that I was in and that I touched nice and cleaned and disinfected so that way I wouldn't spread any of my germs. And so I'm just going to quickly clean up. This is the downstairs bathroom. I'm going to quickly clean this bathroom up. I am going to change the sheets off my bed and clean my bed up. And then I'm going to clean up my upstairs bathroom as well. And then I'm also just going to end the day with just a little bit of relaxing and folding because I am not feeling good at this point still. I'm still recovering. This is just the day after a bug, and I just really wanted to get it quickly clean.
There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from.
Once I'm finished cleaning the bowl here, I am going to disinfect the toilet by just spraying this Comet cleaner directly onto the toilet, and the directions say let it sit for 10 minutes and then you can wipe it down, or you can just let it air dry. And I'm just going to go ahead and let it air dry, and I'm just going to get the entire toilet and the little handle, and just like I said, I'll just spray it down and let it air dry. And you just have to read the back of whatever cleaner you're using. If it says it's antibacterial, it'll give you the instructions on actually how to disinfect, or whatever. And it is usually you have to let it sit for longer than just spraying it and wiping it. And so that's what I'll do here, and then that's what I'll do upstairs as well.
I keep on looking for you. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep.
Alright, so we are up here in the bedroom now, and I had already stripped my bed of the sheets this morning because, like I said, I had a 24-hour bug, and that night, I was sweating and then shivering and then sweating and shivering, and, just when you feel all icky like that, I just ripped the sheets off, first thing in the morning and got them into the washing machine, and then I just wanted to give the bed just a nice little dusting and wipe down. And then I'm also going to go in and spray some of this Clorox fabric sanitizing spray onto the mattress as well. Here it is, just to get those germs definitely nice and kill those germs and make sure everything's nice and sanitized. And then I'm just going to wait until this is dry, put on some nice new sheets, and then I'm going to go ahead and clean the bathroom up here as well.
I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kind of feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Miss you. Miss you.
So I've moved on into my little bathroom room here, and this is the only little area in my bathroom that I'm going to clean today. Like I said, this is the day after, having a 24-hour bug. Um, and I just wanted to get germs gone as soon as possible so that way they just didn't linger and spread to other people, spread to my mom, spread to my kids. So that was basically, just the goal, just get the germs off. I did not feel good. I did not want to even be cleaning, to honestly, like, tell you the truth. But I also didn't want my family to catch what I had, and I just wanted to get the germs gone. So, we'll just quickly get this little toilet room clean, and then the rest of the day, just to relax, I'll just be folding some clothes and not doing a whole lot more than that.
Catch me in my feelings so when I'm feeling down, feeling low, you come down and bring me home. You know that I am hard sometimes, and I know it, babe. I try to change, but even when we fight, then the night we get closer, yeah. I wake up the day after and I feel like, oh, what a wonderful day to be alive. Hey, oh, what a wonderful day.
So I got my nice black fuzzy blanket back on my bed, and this is just what we've been using in the summertime because it's a lot cooler. We started using it just because our comforters were dirty, but then we actually like this now, so it's just stayed. So now my mom is here and she is just with my boys, so I'm able to just kind of sit here and relax and not have to do a whole lot. So I put on just one of my shows that I like to watch to catch up. I like watching Below Deck. It is so entertaining, you guys. Like, if you like reality, like trashy TV, is basically what it is, and it's so entertaining. So that's what I'm doing here is just catching up on a couple of episodes of Below Deck while I get a few baskets of laundry folded. And that's basically all I'm going to do for the rest of the day and just relax and try and just get feeling better. And yeah, that's kind of it.
somewhere in the middle. Try to find myself again.
All right, this is the end of the video today, and I really hope that you enjoyed watching. Hopefully I was able to provide just a little bit of like sick day cleaning motivation. It's always awful to have to clean when you're not feeling well. Sometimes you just have to do a little bit and then, you can maybe relax and fold some clothes. But again, I really appreciate you watching my video. And if you enjoyed watching this one, please consider watching another one. I really hope that you guys have a wonderful day, have a wonderful weekend, and be safe. And I will see everybody very soon. Bye!